Hi Sudoku friends, welcome today. Today on Saturday, February the 8th, 2020, we have only one Sudoku, a beautiful medium Sudoku. So let's get started. I see here 7 in this column, a 7 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only two places for a 7 is here or there, but I see here 7, so no 7 there, 7 should be here. Then 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column, so in the first column the only two places for the 7 should be here and there, but I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row, so in the third row the only place for the 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the middle row, the only two places for 7 is here or there. But I see here already a 7. No 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column. So in the column between, the only two places for 7 is here or there. But I see here 7. No 7 there, 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then a 1 in this row, a 1 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only two places for a 1 is here and there. But I see here a 1, so no 1 there, 1 should be here. Then the 8 in this row, the 8 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only two places for an 8 should be here or there, but I see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. Then let me see. The first row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. I see here 4, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be this one. 3 boxes left for the first row. The numbers are 1, 1, 2, and 6. And 6. I see here 1 and 2. So in this box, no 1 and a 2. So the other two boxes should be a 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. 1 digit left for the 6 should be this one. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. So these 2 boxes of this big square are the numbers 9 and 8. We have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Then yes, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. I see here 1, so no 1. In these 2 boxes, I see there 1, so no 1. In this box, 1 box remains for the 1 should be this one. The other 3 missing numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 8 and 9. I see here 9, so no 9 there. I see there 9, so no 9 there. Only place for the 9 should be here. The 8 I have here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. 1 box left for this big square for the number 6. The third row, 6 and 4, 6 and 4. 2 boxes left. These three numbers of the second row are the numbers 5, 3, and 2. 5, 3, and 2. I see here 2 and a 3. So one digit left for the 5. 5 should be here. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. And here 6 and 5. No, 6 and 4. 6 and 4, 6 and 4. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in this column. The numbers are 3 and 4. I see here 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 4 goes there. Then let me see. Well, yes, these 4 missing numbers in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. I see here 6. So no 6 in these 2 boxes. Then 2 boxes left. I have here also a 6. So no 6 there. 1 box is left for the 6. Should be this one. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. I see here 4. So no 4 there. I see here 4. So no 4 there. Only place for the 4 should be here. The other 2 boxes are for the numbers 9 and 5. I cannot fill this yet. 9 and 5. Need to wait for more information. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so in the column between. The only place for the 4 should be here. 1 box remain for this column for the number 5. Then three and 9. Then yes, I see here 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So in this column, the only 2 places for 5 should be one of these 2 boxes. Same with the 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in this column, the only 2 places for an 8 should be here. So we have a pair, 8 and 5, 8 and 5. Don't forget, 8 and 5. These 3 numbers of this big square are the numbers 9, 3, and 2. 9, 3 and 2, that means 1 digit left. Here should be the 1. 1 is missing here, because the 1 cannot be in one of those 3, because we have a 1. Here we have a pair 8 and 5, so here should be a 1, and 1 digit left for this big square for the number 2. These 3 numbers are 1, 3 and 9. 1, 3 and 9. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait for more information. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. I have a 5 there, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remained for the 5 should be this one. 2 boxes left for this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes here. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. 1 and 5. I cannot fill this yet. 1 and 5. 3, 8 and 6. Yes, 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the row between, the only place for the 6 should be here. Now we have 2 boxes left in the middle row for the numbers 8 and 3. 8 and 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. I remember those 2 numbers were 8 and 5. 8 and 5. Now we have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left of this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. Now we have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 digit left in this row for the number 9. 2 numbers left for this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. 3, we have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for 1 is here or there. But we have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. Then 5 and 9 are left in this row. The last row, 4, 2 and 8. 4, 2 and 8. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 4, 2 and 8. These 2 numbers 9 and 3. 9 and 3, 9 and 3. Cannot fill this yet. These 2 9 and 5. Yes, 9 and 5. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left of this row for the numbers 9 and 3. We have a 9 here, no 9 here. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 digit left for this big square for the number 2. 2 numbers left for this big square for the number 3 and 6. We have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be there, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 3 and 2. 3 and 2. we have a 3 here, so no 3 here, 3 should be there, and the 2 goes there. Two numbers left for the numbers in this row. For the numbers 4 and 6, we have a 6 here, no 6 there, 6 should be there, and the 4 goes here. 1 number left in this column for the number 8, yes. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 here, so no 2 here, 2 should be here. The 4 goes there, and the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 9 and 5. We have a 9 here, no 9 here, 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. So we finish this in 15 minutes. Alright people, if you like it, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe on this channel if you like or if you want. Otherwise download the PDF file so you can make it by yourself. Anyway, thank you for watching. Have a great weekend and I see you on Monday. Bye bye.